Hello, I'm in a 2014 Chevy Traverse, and today I'm going to show you to use your front and rear windshield wipers. So for the front, we're just going to use this stick here. As you spin it, the higher up makes it go faster. As you can see, it's going, and you want it slower, just spin this towards the off. And then you can push this button if you want it to spray liquid. And then for the rear, it's controlled by this button. So this bottom one will make it spray liquid. This top one will just make it go. And then in the middle turns it off. So you can see in the glass here, the top one it's spinning, or flipping or whatever, and then the bottom one makes it spray as it goes. And then the very middle turns it off. But that's it. That should be all your controls that are relevant here. But I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.